Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Yes. How are you all? After thunder, lightning, and all, yesterday, heavy lightning and thunder was there. You were there. You there also. It was there, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You enjoyed or you were afraid?
Both.
Morning, ma'am.
Both. Okay. Okay. So, I think they are entering.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good
all.
morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. See, children, next period
Morning,
when
ma'am.
you enter. Yeah. Good morning. See, I have given a message 3 to 3:40 or that period is cancelled. Did you see that message?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third period, 3 periods were there. One period I have cancelled in between. So 2 periods we have today. Yeah. So 2 periods we have. Children, so next period when you come, bring your text also with you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bring your text also with you because power failure is there every time
Morning, ma'am.
in between. So I can assign some problems you can sit and do there. When power comes, we can discuss the answers and all. In between, if power failure is there, the whole period will go otherwise. Okay. So if your text is there with you, you can take it next period only. This period we will discuss the answers, questions and all. Okay. So okay, so I think I have sent the notes to you, right? Notes, questions and answers of the problems of the area and perimeter of square and rectangle, the problems which we have done. I have sent the notes, I think 2-3 days before. Did you write the notes, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Write down. I will not send again. Okay. I have sent the whole problems which we have done in the class, in the WhatsApp group. I have sent it. So write down as the note. Okay. Now, I think all the problems of that set is over and we started with area of a parallelogram. Did we start with the area of a parallelogram?
No, ma'am.
So we'll start with that today. Okay. Area of a parallelogram. So can you explain? Last year you have studied, no? Last year, see, no. Last year you have studied polygons, closed figures, polygons and all.
Yes.
What are the different types of polygons of different sided figures you have studied? No, 3-sided figure is called
Triangle.
triangle. 4-sided figure,
Quadrilateral.
quadrilateral. 5-sided,
Pentagon.
6-sided,
Hexagon. Hexagon.
okay, 7-sided,
Heptagon.
then 8-sided octagon, then 9, again, then 10, decagon, like that it goes on. We call it commonly polygon. Okay, closed figures, we call it polygon. Now, in this, so you know, according to the number of sides, we divide the figures, isn't it? We divide the polygons as triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. Our concern is about the second one, quadrilateral. Okay, we start with that, quadrilateral. So just see this.
Ma'am, you hasn't shared the screen.
I didn't share the screen.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you shared the screen. Ma'am, you
have shared the screen.
You can see the screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot
Quadrilateral.
see the screen.
Quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Now, second family. Okay. Triangles, quadrilaterals. It goes on like pentagon, hexagon, octagon. From that, we took only quadrilaterals. Now, let us see what is quadrilateral family. In quadrilateral family, there are 3 divisions. Okay. One is trapezium. Trapezium. You will study next year all these things. Okay.
Ma'am, we have studied.
We studied it last year.
Okay. Okay. Trapezium. Trapezium. And then you have, in this, you have
Rhombus.
rhombus is there. Sorry.
Parallelogram.
No. Don't say like that. It's not there. I'll tell you the position is different. We have here parallelogram. Okay. Here comes parallelogram. Parallelogram and kite. Okay, 3 divisions. It is trapezium, parallelogram, kite. Okay, quadrilateral can be divided into 3: trapezium, parallelogram, kite. And in parallelogram family, it comes 3 divisions. That is, again, square, rectangle, and rhombus. Okay, so see this quadrilateral. Again, we have 4-sided figures. 4-sided figures itself you can divide into 3. All these things you have to learn only in 8th standard. I just gave an idea about what is a parallelogram. We have to study only area of a parallelogram. Okay, no need to study this detail, but you should know where does the parallelogram stand. Okay, so what is a parallelogram? It is coming under quadrilateral family, and in that parallelogram itself can be divided into as same.
Square,
Parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Okay, they are different types of parallelograms. Square, rhombus, rectangle. These are different types of parallelograms, but all are parallelograms itself. Clear? So now what we are going to study is area of parallelograms. Area of parallelograms.
Ma'am, don't rub, ma'am.
So area of parallelograms. Okay, so area of parallel. Now you got an idea where does the parallelogram stand, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are all this square, rectangle, rhombus, everything is a parallelogram itself. So we are going to study what is area of a parallelogram. Listen. Area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. Now, what is a parallelogram? Before that, we have to study what are the peculiarities of a parallelogram. It's a figure. You can draw it like this. It's a figure. What are the peculiarities of parallelogram? Can you tell me specialities of parallelogram?
Four-sided.
No,
Four-sided.
angles you leave. Now listen, one more thing.
Four-sided.
You have studied intersecting lines and parallel lines. What are the difference between intersecting lines and parallel lines?
Intersects each other.
Okay. Intersecting lines means these two can be intersecting line, isn't it? Because we know
They
will
meet in same meeting point.
at any point they will meet each other. But what do you mean by parallel line? They never meet each other.
They never
They
meet.
keep always
A particular distance,
equal distance.
same distance between the two lines. Two lines, the distance between the two lines will be always equal. Perpendicular distance between the lines will be same. Such lines are known as parallel lines. They never meet each other. Okay. So here, when we speak about parallelogram, we should know what are parallel lines also. Okay. So now, parallel lines. Now, parallelogram. So if I am naming it A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D, parallelogram, A, B, C, D. Okay, parallelogram, A, B, C, D. What are the peculiarities? Can you tell me?
D and
They are four-sided.
C and
four-sided.
It is a four-sided figure. Then
Opposite sides are equal.
opposite sides are equal.
opposite sides are equal, and in a parallelogram, if they are parallel. It's a parallelogram. Square, rhombus, and rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. All are parallelograms. So parallelograms means opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. Okay. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Same will be this side also. They will be equal and parallel. They will be equal as well as parallelograms. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So, what is meant by a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a four-sided.
They are four-sided.
Opposite
Opposite sides are equal
Sides are
equal and
and
Opposite
parallel.
sides are parallel.
equal and parallel. Okay. So understood this one. Now we are going to study what is the area of a parallelogram. Okay. Area of a parallelogram. Now see this. This is a rectangle. You know rectangle is also a parallelogram. Okay. This is a rectangle. Now, I'll be cutting this part of this rectangle. Okay. I'm cutting that part, that piece from that rectangle, and I'll be, so just check this. I'm cutting that from there, and I'll be putting it here. Okay. I'll be just placing it here. I'm cancelling it from there. Just cancelling it from there, and oh, it went. Okay. The figure was this.
It will become parallel.
Yeah, it will become, so I have cut it, no? So it become like this. Like this. So just see. Not that. Eraser I'll take. So when I cut it and put it like that, we will get, see it was cut, and see I got a parallelogram again, no? Same thing I have cut and pasted this side from the rectangle. I'll show, see this, there is one rectangle here. I can show you. See, this is a rectangle. Okay. So can everybody see? Share screen.
Yes, ma'am, we can see what you're showing.
What I'm showing, but only in a small. Okay. Listen. I'm taking a square. a rectangle. Okay, think it is a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Now I am going to cut from here this piece one side, and I am going to paste it to this side. See what is happening? Look here, this portion I have cut. Okay, and I am going to paste it here. See this. Did I get a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes.
Isn't it? See, this was a, when I put it here, it was a rectangle. Okay, it was a rectangle. And I have cut it and I have pasted it here. I have pasted it here. This is the correct position. Okay. See now, it became a parallelogram. See, together. It became a parallelogram, right? Isn't it? So what about the area? What about the area? See, if I take a
They will be same.
They
rectangle,
will be same.
if I take a rectangle, it's what is the rectangle's area? You know what?
L into B.
L into B.
Length into breadth.
Breadth.
Length into breadth. Okay. Same thing. I am pasting it here. It became a parallelogram. So, see this. It became a parallelogram. Then also area remains the same. Isn't it? Area remains the same. So, we say in rectangle, we say that is the length and this one is the breadth. But in parallelogram, when you cut it, paste it like this, we usually say this one is the base of the parallelogram. And you see, this piece is 90 degree towards the base, isn't it? This piece, you see, it is 90 degree towards the base, that line. So we call it height of the parallelogram. We call it height of the
Parallelogram.
Middle line. Okay, that forms the parallelogram. So instead of breadth, it is height, that's all. Okay, so I'll draw it.
Ma'am, so instead of length, it is base.
Base. Instead of length, it is base, and instead of
Ma'am, so it will be like into H.
base into height. So what will be the area of parallelogram?
B into H.
Base into height. It's the
Height.
area of the parallelogram. Can you see the board now? Can you see the
Yes,
board?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can see the base. This will be, we'll write this as the base of the parallelogram. And okay, any side you can take as a base. Okay, where you are drawing the perpendicular, that we can take it as a base. So if you take this as the base, here I have drawn it like this, so I can take the other one as the base, towards which the perpendicular, I have drawn it like this, so let this be the base, this be the base, and this be the altitude. Okay, base we say it is altitude. So altitude is to where we have drawn the perpendicular, that you take as a base.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
we can write altitude or height. Right?
Height or altitude, same.
Okay.
Okay, height you take. H we used to represent it as H. So when you draw the parallelogram, you can see. So just draw a parallelogram and write. So what you understood? What is the area of the parallelogram?
Yes.
Area of the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. All the sides are opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is the altitude. This is the base. Okay, base, and this you can write it as the height. So base into height. Okay. So area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the parallelogram is what? Is equal to base into height. Base into height. We say BH. BH. Write down base into height. BH. Okay. What is the area of the parallelogram?
B into H.
Base into
BH.
height. Okay. Base into height is the area of the parallelogram. Okay. So if a parallelogram is given, you should be able to find its area. Let me insert. Okay, children, there are some problems. We'll try to do it. Can you try to do it? What is the area of the first parallelogram? See this, your exercise problems. First one, can you tell me what is the area of the parallelogram?
28.
Huh?
28.
28.
Base into height. Okay. Second one. Second one.
28.
15 centimeters square.
15
15 centimeter. Yes, base
Square.
into height.
centimeter square, right?
Area centimeter square. Correct. Centimeter square. Third one.
8.75 centimeters square.
Very good. 8.75 centimeters square. Square. Centimeter square is compulsory. It is centimeter square area. No, so centimeter square. What about the next one? Base into height. Always write the formula when you do the problem. Okay. Base into height. Area of the parallelogram. Base into height.
24 centimeter.
Yes.
24
centimeter because it is given 90 degree. One side that is reaching the, yes.
25 centimeters
Next
square.
one. Next one.
24 centimeters.
24 centimeter.
That
Ma'am,
is
second one is 24.
okay. See E.
8.8.
D is
8.8.
8.8 centimeters.
8 centimeter.
8.8.
We multiply that. Is it clear? What is the area of a parallelogram, children?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is the area of a parallelogram?
B
B
into
into
H.
H.
Into height.
BH.
Base into height
Height.
towards
Height.
that base. Okay, base into height drawn towards that base. Length of the altitude drawn towards that base. Altitude and height is same. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so let us pass on to the next topic. That is area of a area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Next one is area of a triangle.
B into H.
No. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Okay. Again, we'll take a parallelogram. all squares and rectangles, you know, they are all parallelograms, isn't it? Squares,
ma'am.
rectangles, everything is a parallelogram. And you see, this is a parallelogram. Can you all see? Stop share.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See this. This is a, suppose it is a parallelogram. It's a square or a rectangle, whatever it is a parallelogram. So parallelogram, I am just drawing, I am folding it through the diagonal. Okay. I am folding it through the diagonal. Diagonal means what? You know what is a diagonal, no?
The line which
Line
passes
joining
through.
opposite vertices. Opposite vertices. Here, what are the opposite vertices? This one and this one. So I am folding it like this, of joining opposite vertices. Okay. Just let us see what I will get when I cut it. See,
We'll
I
get
have
the
folded.
triangle.
You will get, how many triangles are there?
2 triangles.
2 triangles.
I will get 2
2
triangles.
triangle.
2 triangles.
Triangles I got. Are they equal in area?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you see, they see this. They are both are, if I cut it,
Same.
I will get 2 triangles.
Yes.
I can superimpose and see whether their areas are same. Just see this. See this? Areas are same, no?
Yes.
Areas are same area. I have taken, I got. So when a parallelogram is cut into 2 by a diagonal, it forms 2 triangles of equal area. So what is the area of a triangle? What is the area of a parallelogram? What is the area of a parallelogram? We studied just now. What is the area of a parallelogram?
B into H.
Base into height. And now we understood area of a triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram, right?
2 divided by B into H.
So half BH, correct. BH divided by 2. So the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height, or half of the area of the parallelogram. So we can see that area of a triangle. So what is area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is equal to, you can write area of a triangle is equal to half the area of area.
And so 2 divided by B into H.
Yes, area of a triangle equals area of, write down, area of half the area, half of area of a parallelogram. Isn't it? Half of the area of a parallelogram. Area of a triangle is equal to half the area of a parallelogram. That means it is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. That is half BH. We say it is half BH. Half BH. Area of a triangle is equal to half BH. Half BH. Half into base into height. Okay, height of the triangle. Altitude towards the triangle. Half into base into height is the area of a triangle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. At 11:25, please remind me to take the attendance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll show you the questions. Okay, see this, some questions are given here, 3 questions are given here. Find the area of triangles. What are the areas of triangles? Find out. Tell me. First one you leave, it is not clear. I think it is not. Okay, sorry. It's not clear. I was extending it. Second one, B. B. What is the area? B. 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 Half
8
into
centimeter square.
half into base is what? Base is 5.
5
5.
into
Base is
3.2 centimeter.
3.2. So what is the answer? Find out.
8 centimeter square.
Very good. 8 centimeter square is the answer. 8 centimeter square is the answer. 8 centimeter square. Half into 5 into 3.2. So 5 by 2
Now we
is,
should draw that.
huh?
Should draw that.
No. You just do it. That's all. It's listen. That's why I told the next period when you come, you take your textbook also with you. Okay. Then you can write in that. These are all textbook exercises. If you have the text with you, inside that you can write. No need to write in the note. This is all just given to drill the formula. Okay. So whenever you write the formula, then answer it.
Okay, ma'am.
So write area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height, half into
8 centimeter square.
0.2. So answer is 8 centimeter square area. So 8 centimeter square. Next one.
6.
Centimeter square.
Answer is
Centimeter square.
6.
6 centimeters. So because it is,
Next one,
take
it is
another
5.
color, half another color. Red. Okay. So what is the area? Half into base into height. So half into what is base? 3 into 4.
4.
So half into base into height.
6 centimeter square.
Or 4. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6
6 centimeter square.
square is the answer.
Centimeter square.
Half into base into height. So answer is 6 centimeter square.
Square.
Okay. Now find out what is the next question.
3.
Next
3
one.
centimeter square.
See, listen. Next one. This is an obtuse angled triangle, isn't it? Obtuse triangle. Its altitude lies outside the triangle. Okay. Height is outside. Altitude lies outside the triangle. So what is the area? Again, same formula. Half into
3 centimeter square.
height, isn't it? Area. So half into base is 3 and
3 into 2.
altitude is 2. So what is the answer?
3 centimeter
3
square.
centimeter square.
3 centimeter square.
Square.
3 centimeter square. Is it clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So how to find the area of a parallelogram? Base into height.
Here.
How to find the area of a triangle? Half into
Half
base
into base into height.
height. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
see find the missing values. Next question. Can you do it?
We will try, ma'am.
See, nothing else. Base is given, height is not given, area is given. How will you find the height?
Base minus
By
area.
dividing.
Divide, not
By
minus.
dividing.
Because you know parallelogram's area. Okay, here it is area of a parallelogram. It is base into height. So area is base into height. Base into height is equal to area. So if base is given, what is height? Area divided by base. And if height is base is given, what is height? Sorry, height is given, what is base?
Area divided by height.
Area divided by 5.
By height, isn't it? So you find out first one, then I'll take attendance. Remaining you do as homework. Okay. First one you find out height of first answer.
Ma'am, first 12.3. 12.3.
Correct. 12.3. Okay. Find out the other ones also. Later. Find out. Okay.
Ma'am, you will send this in the WhatsApp, right?
This one. This you take down the exercise number.
Ma'am, I had a connection problem.
Yeah, ma'am, me also.
You have connection problem. Exercise 11.2 in that chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Exercise 11.2 in that chapter. So next period when you come, take your text also. These things.
Second one 10.3.
Listen, next period you bring your text and you can write the answer in this text itself. Okay, I'll tell you which one you have to write in the note. Okay, I'll give you the problems for writing in the note separately. This one we can do it in the text itself. It's all for drilling. Okay, okay, children. So next I'll take the attendance.
Segment and 10.3.
One minute. Let me cancel it. No. Okay,
Attendance.
attendance I'll take. If I check. Children, one more information that I have told you to do that project, isn't it? Project,
Yes, ma'am.
integrated project.
I was not there.
I'm not
Did,
even understand how to do it.
okay. Did Shirley ma'am ask you to bring the PPT?
No.
No, ma'am.
Integrated project?
Ma'am, it's
No, ma'am.
Only flow of heat. Only flow of heat you have to do. Okay. Only flow of heat you have to do. The other one is simply given. That is given, and it is not there for only one project you have to do. That is flow of heat. Flow of heat is the, so integrated project means combining all the three. I have explained before vacation and I have given you the time for doing it. Flow of heat is the time, attendance I'll take. Okay, so flow of heat is the topic given and you have to include science, social studies and mathematics in that.
Ma'am, we have to do PPT.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how we will include all these three?
I'll give you the other,
Can you say one more time?
I'll send you, send it to you. Yeah, I'll send it. Okay. So let me take the attendance now. Thank you. Okay, Sriram, present.
Present, ma'am.
Today it is 7th, no? 7th one max. Okay, Sriram is present.
Present, ma'am.
Adityan is present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Abhinand Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav Bijoy. Abhinav PA.
Present,
Abhinav-
ma'am.
Okay. Ahmad Afin. Afin. Absent. Huh? Absent. Albert Jojo.
Absent.
Amal Anthony.
Present. Amal present.
Amna Shirin is present. Amna? Amna
And present.
Yes.
Yes. Anan Hajid is present.
Present.
Angelia was there in the class. Angelia.
Present, ma'am.
Now you are present. Angelia was there in the class.
Yes, ma'am. I was
Angelia is there.
Okay. Anthony Babu.
Absent.
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 Anusha Latish.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Arjun Amar.
Present.
Ayan.
Present.
Benedict.
Absent.
Absent.
Carlin.
Present.
Dilla. Carlin is present, no?
Dilla present.
Emelina present.
Dilla is present.
Yes.
Emilina present. Isha.
Yes. Present.
Okay, Gauri Parvati is present. Gokul Krishna.
Present.
Gokul Krishna is
Present.
present. Hessa.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Isa Jivraj.
Present.
Johain.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Krishna Kripa.
Present, ma'am.
Malavika.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Milan.
Present.
Present.
Present. Miziad.
Present.
Okay.
Present.
Nelvin is present. Lakshmi
Yes,
is present.
present.
Parthiv is Parthiv.
Yes, present.
Okay. Parvati is present. Prajita. Present.
Prajita.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay,
Present,
Prajita
ma'am.
is present. Pranavatmak is
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Rudra is present.
Present. Yes, ma'am.
Shifana.
Shifana absent.
Absent. Shreya?
Present, ma'am. Present.
Absent. Tanmay? Tanmay? Absent. Tanmay is
Tanmay
absent.
absent. Yes, Tanmay absent.
Then Uma Parvati is present.
Present. Vaishnav also present.
Srihari VS is present. Srihari?
Present.
Present, ma'am. Present. Tanmay absent. Uma Parvati?
Present. Vaishnav also present.
Vaishnav. Gauri Shankari is also present, no?
Yes.
Gauri Shankari, okay. Okay, children, see you in the next class. Bye. One period.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Activity you will send.
Bye.
Ma'am, activity you will send in group, right?
Activity I told you, no? I have told
You'll
you
send in group, right?
flow of each. I'll speak to you later about it. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye.
which class is cancelled?
Thank you, ma'am.
That additional period was
3
10 minutes.
o'clock. 3 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.